Ang hirap pagsabayan ng pagiging vlogger at photographer, mga kakarampot.
Yan talagang life.
Magandang araw mga kakarampot, welcome sa panibagong vlog. Ngayon meron tayong fall foliage hike dito sa Glen Stewart Park. So na pang hinihintay nyo? Let's go! Itong Glen Stewart Ravine Park, isa sa mga top 10 fall foliage destination dito sa Toronto. Unfortunately, hindi pa fully naglo-bloom yung mga naglo-bloom pa tawag doon. Hindi pa fully nag-change ng colors yung mga puno. Pero imagine, right? Balik tayo dito pag nag-full colors na sila. Itong Glen Stewart Ravine, medyo maliit lang na park to, pero maganda. Tapos parang wala ka na sa city pag titignan mo. Maraming mga parks na ganito sa Toronto, mga ravine, kasi ang isang motto ng Toronto, city within a park. So they really take care of their parks and their ravines. Yun ang thing na nasa middle of the city. Actually malapit na dito yung beaches, yung beach area. Pag naghahanap ka ng fall foliage, you really don't have to go far from Toronto. Kasi maraming, as I mentioned earlier, maraming parks dito na maraming fall colors. You'll just have to wait a little bit. Kasi mas nauuna yung pag-change ng color syempre sa northern parts. Medyo nahuhuli ang Toronto. But when it comes, it's nice.
Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow side, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
So yun, no?
What?
I thought you're gonna go there. This is gonna go on the vlog, you know.
Huh?
This is gonna go on the vlog.
What the?
Okay. One.
How can I go back?
1, 2. 1, 2. So yeah, while she's figuring out paano bumalik, I also figure out paano umalis dito. Kaputik. Tingnan nyo naman. Ano ba? Hey!
Hi.
LOL.
Hirap pala umakyat ng...
Here.
LOL.
Oh. No, you're going to fall with me.
Okay.
Yes! I finally did it! It's so tiring.
Success.
Bais buhay.
Ang hirap pagsabayin ng pagiging vlogger at photographer, mga katrap.
LOL.
Ganun talagang life.
Lol.
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 Ay, LOL.
So yeah, we're trying to wait na ma-empty yung stairs. So, picture yung si Commander. Ganda sana mag-picture dito. Daming ganap. Dami ding tao. Kasi malapit na kami dun sa dulo. Yeah, di ba? Ito ba? Go, go, go.
Okay. Can you take a picture of me as well?
So I think this is the dulo of Glen Stewart Park. No, not really the dulo. Kasi we continue on that part.
LOL.
On that. There. Oh, there's a bridge over there. So we're gonna look for an access to that bridge. Okay, we found the bridge. Yeah, we found the bridge. Tulay. So dun sana kami sa baba, oh. I think it's safer to go down than to be on the road, babe. 2/3 pa lang to ng Glen Stewart. Meron pang isang part dun, somewhere there. So we'll have to go there.
Under the tree.
Remove your mask.
Under the tree.
Wait lang. Okay, dito na kami sa final thirds ng Glen Stewart Park Ravine or Glen Stewart Ravine Park. or Glen Stewart Ravine. So yeah, that's our short hike dito sa may Glen Stewart Ravine. So yeah, nakarating na kami sa dulo ng Glen Stewart Park. And nagsa-side trip lang ng konti. And we might try to go all the way to the bottom of this street. Dun sa may tubig.
3,000 years later.
So yun, no, side trip. Napabili tuloy. Plantita in the house.
Life is like that.
Plantita in the house.
What can we do? You want to show them the pot? Oh, the pot is very nice. It has ta-da! And then you can. Oh, I don't know how.
Are
to
you sure
open
that's a pot?
it? It is.
Looks like a bird feeder.
No.
Lol.
Draw.
So yun, supposedly today guys, I'm supposed to be camping today. Pero di kami natuloy dahil na-injured yung isa naming kaibigan. So, shout out kay Jen S. Sana pagaling ka.
Get well soon, Jen.
So, this is the beaches area guys. Mahal ang mga lupa at bahay dito. Kasi malapit sa beach, sa lake.
Train just left this town while I'm slowly heading back to my apartment. I'm not asking for your thoughts. I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. Ooh, there's no point 'cause we both.
Yes. So yes guys, nandito na tayo sa beaches. And totoo na to, this is where we will end the video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ay. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Anong pinaka-importante sa lahat, mag-subscribe. At kung may time pa kayo, syempre, i-click nyo rin yung notification bell to be notified of future vlogs. So, from the beaches, hanggang dito na lamang. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.
Times will come again when the wind is blowing in my direction.